Hello guys, it's your boy GoAB. I'm back with another video with my friend Axel. Let's go. We're doing an office one. We're gonna dupe a golden gun and a boombox. Let's go, Axel. Bam, bam, bam.
I'm getting there first. I'm getting there first.
Nah, gang, that's not fair. I'm carrying everything. First.
I already got the. Put them in my backpack.
But why? Mine? Why not? Why?
Don't.
Axel, you have the freaking eggs and the key card. I have everything. So we just need to get to the source machine and we're done.
Help.
Oh. Press your Oculus button and then lift them up. There you go. Let's go, Axel.
Karen's over here.
Why is she mad? It's crazy how
grappler, sorry. They have a grappler.
wait, didn't you say the calculators are rare?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find one. Nah, I just didn't find
on
one.
the table.
Okay. Let's go.
Like somewhere over here. Follow me.
Let's go to the next one, Axel.
I think like over here sometimes.
Let's just go. Come on, we gotta go to the next one. Wrong room.
I need another key card.
Bro, you already have one.
No, we need 4.
4 key cards. Why 4?
Because look, I have the key card right now. 3 key cards. I need 1 more.
We need 1 more key card. That's it. There. Cause we're doing 2 items. Is she back?
Just run for her. Run from her. Run. Oh no.
I almost died. Axel, let's go.
I'm getting there first without you.
But who has the items that you're gonna do? Something blah blah.
I know the way there already, so well am I.
I barely do. And that's the problem. I don't know my way out.
Left. Take a right. Take a forward again until she distort. Squeeze the button.
Go. You might be here. You might be here. Lift up this magical door. Okay, go.
Run, B.
Let's go. We're on time. Close door. Woohoo.
Wait.
Okay. Do I put the item in?
Yeah. Put the golden gun or the.
I was doing the golden gun. Okay, ready?
Put this up here. Put it up there. I'm gonna send it to the abyss. The Bob.
Axel, we need our eggs for this.
It's in there. In my backpack.
Okay, come on.
Oh shit. My rotation. I'm rotating. It's doing it.
Do you have the egg? Something bad's about to happen. Axel, you gonna put them in?
Yeah, I'm having this struggling.
Yeah. That's good. Do more water button. Axel, come on. Okay, good. Now we gotta do the yellow one. Okay, we're done. Okay, now we gotta get our key card.
I got the key card.
Okay. And I'll get the items.
Okay.
Not like we're both gonna get some. Axel? I think I know why it didn't work because it was on death. Axel, it was right here.
Okay. Wait. Can't we use like a flashlight or something to lower it?
To lower it? I guess so, because I don't have a golden gun no more. So. Okay. We're doing the boombox now, guys. The first one wasn't successful. There you go.
Nothing's calling me.
Bro, just go, come on. He can wait. I'll go put the egg in. Where's the egg? Oh crap. Okay, do I put it in?
Calling me. Let me answer it.
Yeah, but go on Snapchat.
Hey.
Good. Axel, do I put it in the machine?
You put it at the top.
Yeah, put it in the machine.
At the top.
The machine.
Yes, put it in. Now, okay, put your flashlight in. Put both.
Your flashlight in the red one. Got it.
I don't have it. It kinda...
It'll work? Bro, it made it juicier.
Work?
You can try. Where's the flashlight through? Didn't work.
Wait, what items?
Found a glow stick. Found it. I found a glow stick.
Put it in.
Okay. Wait, go kill the monster man. Maybe he can give us something that we can throw in here. Come. It's working a little bit. Do you have any more flashlights? Don't take that.
Put the key card in?
Wait, I'm gonna come up. Why is there two? Broke Mr. Beast. Broke Mr. Beast. Bruh. Yo, Axel. 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 Axel? I'm at front of the machine, bud. Okay, I found you. I killed the first one, the second one wouldn't die even though I hit it like 30,000 times. And I didn't get the box. So like he won't die. Yeah, the chat saw that he wouldn't die, so yeah. We got a shield and a shotgun. The shield might work. I don't think the shotgun will. I died. Yo, Axel. I died. Watch out, Laughy Man's here. Gang. I killed him. Son, no, I didn't ass up. Axel, I can't hear you anymore. Okay. I'm at very low HP. Please have MRE. Bruh. Axel, did it work or make it work or better? Bruh! What do we have that's gonna work? No, I'm just gonna dump my whole backpack in there. Let's see if it works. Did it work? Yes. Would a backpack work? No. Actually, just put the key card in and we'll see if it gives us some. We've been doing this for too long. If we didn't, it would just be a fail.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It worked! It worked! Put the little one, put the little one.
The terrible trash ain't just doing it. Wait, it's not, the clover of the...
Yay, guys, it worked! We got 50%, that's really good! Let's go! Let's go! I did it. Okay.
We need the clover backpack. Well, we need the clover.
Well, guys, that will be the end to our video. Bye. Ax, is there anything you want to say before they leave?
Like and subscribe to my channel or I'm going to shoot an RPG at you.
Listen to him. He has one in his backpack. We saw him grab it late earlier. There it is right there, man. Guys,
This is towards the viewers. Look, like, that's the view. That's the wall right there.
please don't shoot it. Please, they're going to subscribe. Guys, I will have it to you, so bye.